Missouri, the Show Me State, home to over 6 million people. Until now.
We gotta go.
It was until he showed up. We have to stop him. Everything depends on it. We must fight. There's no way to stop him. He's too strong. In a world where commercial farming dominates our agricultural and economic industry. If we don't save this world right now, it will consume us all. She's the last hope we have left.